Hello, everybody. This is Gaurav Gambhir from TCS Group here at Keller Williams, Philadelphia. Hope all is well. We bring this market segment to you once a month, talking about how the market is doing, how the homes that are selling or not selling, and how are the prices doing, especially for first-time home buyers. It's my personal mission to make sure that anyone who's out there trying to get educated or trying to learn from what it feels to own a home and what does it take to own a home. And that's where we bring the information to you. Sometimes there's people who have not had the information and the knowledge to understand where exactly they need to go to be able to buy a home. And that's what we bring to you. So looking at the data, year after year, as you know, the market is still very strong on the supply and demand. So there's less supply and more demand that creates a value that goes up. More people who have jobs, they can afford to pay more for the home, and then it keeps going up. The prices keep going up. With the interest rates coming down a little bit, and also hopefully in the future, unfortunately, the employment market has to change, and we're seeing those numbers coming in for whatever reason. That you're following the news, some political reasons and some economic reasons, it does impact and helps bring the interest rates lower. Just a factual conversation, and it's just the nature of the business. So I always look at what's available and what can you buy. So I also want to talk to you about Turn the Key program. Many of you who may or may not know, Turn the Key program is an absolute stunning program that is for first-time home buyers at a certain median income, where PHDC, is the Philadelphia Housing Authority of Philadelphia, can actually give up to $75,000 to help bring the mortgage down. $75,000. Obviously, there's some caveats to it, but that is an absolutely once in a lifetime opportunity for a lot of people. So if there was somebody out there who's looking for a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, the first listing we have, 2068 East William Street, a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, can buy for $265,000. Brand new construction. The average monthly mortgage is about $1,543. That's less than many of you must be paying in your rental. So there are opportunities available. Looking at another one, there's a great rehab, South Philadelphia gem, 1847 Hoffman Street. That block is amazing. It's the average monthly mortgage payment is going to be $1,972. So how much money do you put down? 20% is not necessarily always required. You can borrow money from the lenders with less down payment. You can also have a seller's assist to bring your costs lower. And in some of the programs, like the Turn the Key program, it's actually even the city or the state can also help towards getting a home. There's no real reason for you to wait till the interest rates comes down by either 0.25% or 0.5%. Ask yourself this question: what am I waiting for that I'm willing to pay my rent for another 1 year? Interest rates on rent is 100%. And second, you should ask yourself, at what interest rate am I willing to go by? What's the gap? How much monthly bill is going to change? And don't forget, this is not a 30-year commitment. You will be able to refinance the minute the interest rates comes lower as well. So don't wait to buy. You buy and then you wait. That's how wealth is built. That's how a lot of people have made a lot of money and they've been super grateful. I did a video last week. We walked on the streets near Rittenhouse Square and we asked people, do you own or do you rent? And why do you not buy or why do you continue renting? And we heard some great, some interesting concepts. But there's one person who said he couldn't have made a better decision because he bought it about 20 years. That's the feeling I want to give to you as well. So hopefully you make the same choice, but call us if you have any questions and we can help you learn more.